Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we analyze and review the latest gadgets and electronics to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we have something special for all you audiophiles out there: the JBL Stage 180 floor standing speaker.
Let's dive right in.
The JBL Stage 180 is not just any speaker. It's an advanced home stereo, home theater system designed to give you the thrill of a live concert experience right in your living room.
Featuring dual 6.5-inch woofers and a 1-inch aluminum tweeter.
This speaker delivers high-definition imaging and deep, signature JBL bass that captures every note of the audio spectrum from high to low.
Whether you're watching movies or listening to music,
the JBL Stage 180 promises to elevate your audio experience to new heights.
But what sets the JBL Stage 180 apart?
Well, for starters, its two-tone unique design adds a touch of sophistication to any room.
Whether you opt for the sleek black finish or the elegant wood veneer, this speaker is sure to complement your home decor. Constructed with precision and attention to detail, the JBL Stage 180 features front-facing high and mid speakers placed strategically to minimize muffling and ensure crystal-clear audio. Plus, with rear-ported woofers and outrigger legs for stability.
This speaker is built to deliver an immersive listening experience. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the JBL Stage 180's powerful and sublime sound quality.
With its incredible detail, accuracy, and clarity across all frequencies.
This speaker brings your favorite music and movies to life like never before. Worried about compatibility?
Fear not.
The JBL Stage 180 is bi-amp compatible and accepts banana plug or screw-down bare wire connections, making it easy to integrate into your existing audio setup.
Whether you're a music enthusiast or a movie buff, this speaker has you covered.
In conclusion, the JBL Stage 180 floor standing speaker is more than just a piece of audio equipment. It's a gateway to a world of immersive sound and unparalleled entertainment. So why wait? Elevate your audio experience with the JBL Stage 180 today.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and analysis. Until next time, happy listening.